Movie stars and celebrities such as Matt Damon and Emily Blunt have lived in this neighborhood. And if celebrities live here, you can bet it's pretty nice. This is Brooklyn Heights. I'm Hava, and I want to start off by making the distinction between Brooklyn Heights and Dumbo, because although they are right next to each other, so much so that people kind of call this whole area where I'm standing right now Dumbo, even though technically it is Brooklyn Heights, because if you look at the map, more or less they're actually separated by where the Brooklyn Bridge runs. So we are on the side that is officially Brooklyn Heights, and something really neat if you walk around this area, especially the area that are kind of known as the fruit streets, cranberry, orange, and pineapple, is you actually have just beautiful architecture, a mixture of architecture, some older style buildings, and I just find this whole area very charming for that reason. Our first Brooklyn Heights discovery of the day is Giuliana's Pizza, which was founded by the Grimaldis, yes, of the original Grimaldi's Pizza that's also famous and down the street, although that pizzeria was actually sold long ago. Here you can get homemade pizza made in what the website calls the original hand-built coal-fired oven. Can I please have a personal margarita pizza? Thanks. Just to go. There is a perfectly good reason why I asked for my pizza to go, and that is so that we could walk down to Brooklyn Bridge Park where we can eat in front of the skyline. I was lucky, I scored a table, but if you don't, you can still stand by the water and eat. There's tons of benches, but if it bothers you to not eat at a table, then buy something like a calzone. You can get food to go from, many places around here and then just come over and enjoy the view, especially if you have amazing weather like we do today. It's just a sunny day, the 60s, good energy. It's great. It is lunchtime. Wow. Isn't that gorgeous? This pizza cost me about $19, and it is definitely much nicer looking than the slices I get on the street in New York City, and that I've shown in a couple videos. So if you're interested in seeing those, you'll want to be on the lookout for my Ridgewood video. I have a video specifically on dollar slices, and there's definitely another video where I've done pizza slices. So just, peek around the channel. Heights just wouldn't be complete without at least a little walk along the Brooklyn Heights Promenade, which runs right alongside the Brooklyn Bridge Park. And you can just take a stroll here. You can sit down, enjoy the view on the bench. It's just a relaxing, peaceful place that has nature. And it's just a nice little spot in the city. I have a special memory from here because my second night ever living in New York City, someone brought me here at night and I saw the whole skyline lit up. It was glittery, it was magical, and exactly what I needed after such a hard relocation day. So I actually did document that experience as well as the actual day of relocation, which I blogged. So I'll link those videos in the description below for you. But this is just a very magical spot if you want the energy of New York City combined with some relaxation and peace. To be in the know with new videos and different content coming to this channel, of course, make sure you subscribe and have notifications turned on, and comment below letting me know what you thought of the things here that we did in Brooklyn Heights today. If you want more day-to-day content, you can find me over on Instagram at hava.media. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you on the streets of New York, or at least in the next video. Bye!